time of crypto, and what's the most recent thing in this world that is creating all the sensation? It's NFTs, of course. In the year since NFTs exploded in popularity, the situation has only gotten more complicated. Pictures of apes have sold for tens of millions of dollars. But as NFTs are attracting so much attention towards them, many can think that it takes a load of money to create an NFT. What if I told you that you can create an NFT and have it up for sale completely free? Let's have a look into that. So NFTs are nothing but a digital property. It could be your picture or a painting of your children. But the thing is, those things can have many copies, which is why you have to mint an NFT before you can claim it and put it up for sale. So there are obviously many different platforms and blockchains in which you can mint NFTs, but most of them require a type of payment for the process which is referred to as a gas fee. Today we're going to talk about OpenSea platform and the Polygon blockchain, which lets you create NFTs without paying the gas fees. Isn't that awesome? Here's the step-by-step guide to that procedure. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Connect an Ethereum wallet to OpenSea. First, you'll need to connect an Ethereum wallet to OpenSea. The most amazing part is that it doesn't need to have any balance. You can connect a wallet that's completely empty and it'd still work. Create an OpenSea collection. NFTs on OpenSea are created within a collection, so you should first create a collection. To do this, click on your profile icon in the upper right, click My Collections and then click Create. Set up the OpenSea collection. Set up your first OpenSea collection. You can set images and now pick a name for your collection, customize the collection's URL and add a description of your choice. Pick the correct blockchain. Now, this is one of the most crucial parts of the whole procedure. You have to select the correct blockchain. There are two options, the Ethereum blockchain and the Polygon blockchain. If you want to pay zero gas fees, choose the Polygon option. Finally, click Create. You'll need to confirm the actions you take with your Ethereum wallet while setting up the collection. Time for NFTs. Finally, click Create. You'll need to confirm the actions you take with your Ethereum wallet while setting up the collection. You can now upload a piece of art and mint it as an NFT. You can also choose how many copies you want to mint. If you have things like stats or unlockable content you get when you purchase the NFT, you also can specify those things on this page. Up for sale. Once your NFT is minted, you can click on this page and there you can find an option to sell it. As you choose that option, you can put a price on it. The price needs to be a minimum of $2 while using OpenSea. You can also choose how many copies of the NFT you would like to sell if there is more than one copy. And voila, you have your NFT up for sale. It'll be up on the Polygon market, not on the Ethereum market. That's one thing you have to bear in mind. But you created your first NFT and paid absolutely nothing in fees. Whatever you make out of that NFT is totally your profit. What do you think of OpenSea's completely free NFT minting system? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you in another video.